Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north from Broadgate towards Chovey, St. Mary Parish. We are driving on the A3 Agualta Vale to Broadgate Road, also the A3 Junction Main Road. Entering Chovey. To the left is the Wag Water River. Entering Georgia, also Georgia Pen and Georgia Plain. We are also entering Agualta Vale. To the left is the Westmoreland Bridge and the Chovey to Clermont Road, also the Chovey to Highgate Road. The Chovey to Clermont Road we passed just now on the left will take you onto the Westmoreland Bridge, across the Wag Water River to Bromley, Lewis Store, Clonmel, Aleppo, Clermont, Highgate, Richmond and the other places. We are now at Georgia. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.